Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change profile picture on Twitter. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Twitter application, then get logged into your account. At the homepage of your Twitter, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left corner. Here you need to tap on the profile option. Inside profile, you can see the option of edit profile on right side. You tap on it. Now here you need to tap on the profile picture icon. Here you can take a recent picture as well as you can choose a existing photo, as I am going with the existing photo. Now you can go in for choosing any of the photo that you want to make your profile picture in Twitter. Then you tap on use on the top right corner. After you are done, you need to tap on the save on top right of the corner, and with that the profile picture will be updated. This is how you can change a profile picture on your Twitter. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change profile picture on Twitter. Thank you.